the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah, I like the view. I like the view.
Hi nail fam, I hope that you are doing well. Born Pretty was kind enough to send me over some products as PR. I'm going to go through everything that they have sent me, starting off with these. I believe these are almond stiletto kind of nail tips on the medium side. I went ahead and applied them onto my nail, but I didn't do one because I wanted to show you how to apply them using the solid nail tips. Now, this is a new exciting product. They came out with the clear and now they have colored solid nail tips glue. So I'm going to demonstrate how I applied these onto my nail. If you've never used solid nail tips glue, it's almost like, I don't know, I feel like it's explanatory. It's a nail glue, but it's solid. And you can kind of form it like Play-Doh or clay. And you apply it to the nail. I don't recommend touching it like I am doing here, but just for demonstration purposes. So I have my little mini lamp and I'm going to apply it to the nail, press down. I like that it doesn't move either. When I apply it to my nail, it doesn't move. It can just, I have enough time to manipulate it, but it was a little bit tricky for me. Maybe because I'm not used to the solidness. Like when I apply the Born Pretty nail glue, the liquid nail glue to my nails, it's very thin. It slides onto the nail and I can just kind of put my finger underneath the lamp. But I feel like with this one, I had to kind of fix the nail a little bit. If you put it on crooked, it's going to stay crooked because it doesn't move, So you have to kind of practice applying these on. And I think I might have too much nail glue onto the tip. So there was a little bit of bulk towards the free edge. I had to keep taking it off and kind of repositioning it. So with a little bit more practice, I think this is a great product because you don't have that stickiness. You won't have anything flooding the cuticles. If you make a mistake, you can take it right back off and apply it back on again. Is it my favorite? Not necessarily. I actually really love the 6-in-1, 8-in-1. I think Born Pretty has a 4-in-1 and all nail glue. So here it is there. I actually really love this one. And it's on the medium side. It's not too thick, not too thin. So there's pros and cons to both products. But I love that it's in a different color. I think they came out with 4 or 6 different colors. So now you can choose which one suits your nail bed. All right, so here's an up close look at how I've applied that on, and we're going to give that a quick cure under the UV lamp. So that was these medium almond stilettos, and then that was the solid nail tips glue that was a part of this PR package. So now let's move on to the other remaining products. I do have a gel polish color here. This one is a beautiful purple shade. And then we have a solid cream gel palette, and we also have a glitter product in a little pot there. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of the colors for you so that you can have a good look at the colors. Alright, so here is the purple gel polish going on very smoothly. Definitely needed about 2, possibly 3 coats for this one. But overall, the products from Born Pretty are really nice and really great quality. And the price point is quite affordable in my personal opinion. I have purchased like a huge haul of Born Pretty products before from their AliExpress store, and they also have a website. I will have those linked down below in the description box if you happen to be interested in any of these products. Now we're going to move on to the last 2 products here. We have the solid cream gel, and then we have this glitter gel pot here, sequence glitter gel pot. I have quite a bit of these that I purchased as well. I absolutely love them because when you apply them on, they just stay there and you have a chance to manipulate. But this particular one is quite new. It is oh my gosh, this is so beautiful and so pretty. It has like mini glitters in there. And when you put this into the sun, I will be using this in today's video as well. But when you put this in the sun, it was such a pretty shimmer to this. All right, going on smoothly. Once again, love this gorgeous glitter mix. Now let's move on to this 4-color solid cream gel collection. We seem to have a white, maybe, well, I wouldn't say white, maybe like an ivory, maybe an off-white going on, a pink, a light pink, maybe apricot kind of peachy color, very nude color, and then we have a red here as well. Now this is giving me milky white kind of vibes, which is nice to have as well. So if you wanted to do a milk bath set, you can definitely use this color. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the remaining colors. Bear in mind, I've not applied any base gel to the swatch stick. The solid cream gel will look very good on top of a layer of base gel. So if these look a little bit splotchy or blotchy, that's because I'm applying it onto a dry swatch stick. All right, I'm gonna quickly swatch these out, give that a quick cure, and then we're gonna get into the day's nail set. Okay, so for this nail set, I'm going to go in and apply a thin layer of base gel over my nail, give it a cure under my UV lamp for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and start applying my gel polish. For this design, I'm going to start off by applying this kind of peachy, pinky, nude color from this solid cream palette onto my nail. I will need to go in with at least 2, possibly 3 layers. Here's how one layer is looking, and I really like how nude and sheer and natural this color is looking. Now I'm going to go in with a second layer. Alright, now that we have that second layer applied, now we can move on to the glitter. And I'm going to be doing like a glitter ombre onto all of the nails. So I'm going to grab that sequins glitter mix, and we're just going to apply that to the tip of the nail. Once I have the glitter applied to the tip of the nail, I will take my brush and start to feather it out upwards towards the cuticle area. Alright, so now I'm going to grab my Born Pretty Jelly Nude Gel Polish, and I'm just going to apply this over the entire nail. Very thin layer, just to add a little bit of neutral color to this color, to this nail design, and then we'll cure this under the UV lamp. Now I'm going to go back in with another glitter gel polish. This is a reflective magnetic glitter gel polish. I absolutely love this color. I have 2 colors, the purple and the pink. So I'm going to use this purple one here. We're just going to add this to the center of the nail, and we're going to feather it down and feather it upwards as well. So now that we are done with this nail design, I'm going to grab my super top coat from Born Pretty, and we're going to apply that to the entire nail. And we're going to add in some rhinestones and this big heart bling to the center of the nail, and this nail design is done. To adhere my rhinestones, I'm going to be using my rhinestone glue from Makartt. Just going to add this onto that wet layer of the super top coat, and then we're going to apply the bling. And I know that I think I've said before, when I did a short set of nails, I like to keep it really simple. But for this particular nail design, I wanted to see if I could get away with putting a lot of bling. Well, not a lot, but enough bling onto this nail for it not to be just a simple nail set. So we're going all blinged out for this nail set. We're going in with these big hard diamonds, diamondback rhinestones, and then we're going to go in with some smaller, different colored flat back rhinestones scattered all over this nail. And we're actually going to do this for all 5 of the nails. So this is my I think this is kind of like my first design that's short, and I'm adding a lot of bling onto the nail, and I really liked how this turned out. Alright, here's how the nail is looking so far. I will add some cuticle oil and finish up that cuticle area towards the end of the nail design. Now I'm just going to move on to the rest of the nails. We're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to go in with a thin layer of base gel, and we're going to cure that under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. Then we're going to go and dip into this nude kind of pink peachy color from that solid cream palette. We're going to apply that to all of the nails. And then we're going to get into the glitter gel polishes and the jelly nude gel polish. Now, since this design is pretty repetitive, I'm actually going to do these nails off camera because I'm doing the exact same steps that I did onto the thumb. And I really didn't want this video to be too long, showing you the same thing over and over again. So I'm going to finish this off camera by applying the jelly nude gel polish. We're going to go in with that beautiful cat eye magnetic purple gel polish. We're going to feather those out. And then once we're done, we're going to apply our super top coat on top of the nails and then add in the bling, those hearts, as well as those flat back rhinestones. Here is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this quick and fun tutorial. Be sure to check out Born Pretty down in the description box, and I will see you in the next video.